Hello everyone. I am Dr. Manjusha Vijay Ingole, Assistant Professor at Department of Botany, Kisanveer Mahavidyalaya, Vai. I am presenting paper on morphological observation of Cara socotransis forma pashani from Satara district, Maharashtra in the virtual international conference. Charophytes are the microscopic green algae resembling with angiosperm. So many times they are confused with aquatic higher plants. Thorough survey of literature on charophytes reveals that voluminous information is available from the world over, which includes BP Pal, Wood and Emori, Kundu, but in India, charophyte studies have been restricted to either north or south region. However, meager information on charophytes of Dikshit, Kamath, Zawde, Patil, Karande and Saugule is available. When we screen different localities, we found that there are number of localities where luxuriant growth of charophytes is observed. But we are paying special attention to ecoticate monoecious species, namely Cara socotransis pharmapashani, occurring abundantly. Their correct identification and morphological comparison with that of Indian charophyte flora is done in this present communication. In materials and methods, collection of specimens were done after the post-monsoon shower from various localities within and around Satara. Morphological observation, measurements of plant parts and camera lucida drawing was carried out. Identification of specimen was made using different monographs of Wood and Emori, Jhanaved, Pal and Kundu and Subramanian. In observation, Cara socotransis pharmapashani was abundant in its occurrence around and within Satara. From different 14 localities, we collected Cara socotransis pharmapashani taxon. By measuring height of plant, diameter of axis, number of branchlets, bracts cells, bracteoles, gamentangia, position of oogonia, oospore, antheridia, their comparison was done and given in the table. Present camera lucida drawing shows that plant is monoecious, stipulates rudimentary in one tier, branchlets 10 to 12 in holes. Conjugate gamentangia aggregate at lowest 1 to 2 nodes of branchlets. Terminal segment 1 celled, conical, acute. Oogonium 1 to 2, together having 9 convolvulation. Coronula cells wide with 60 to 150 micron height and 146 to 175 wide. Oospore orange to black in color. Style 8 to 10, prominent ridges, fossa 58 micron across. In result, plants always occurred where soil was rich in calcium. According to Saugule and Patil, this taxon is endemic, restricted in the foothills of Western Ghat. Our collection revealed that Cara socotransis pharmapashani also has very restricted distribution. After comparing our specimen with that originally described by S.C. Dikshit, our specimen shows some distinguishing features like downwardly growing corticating threads and presence of stipulodes. Our observation after screening of large number of specimens revealed that there is a tendency of forming corticated threads. Cortication may be vestigial or imperfect, but definitely there is a tendency of cortication in these plants. These are some of references that I have used during my research. I am thankful to Principal of Yashwantrao Savhani Institute of Science and Head of Department of Botany for encouragement and laboratory facilities. I am also thankful to Head of Department of Botany, Kisanveer Mahavidyalaya, Vai, for constant encouragement. Thank you.